Hello everybody, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transparify an object in GIMP. Alright, so really there are two methods you can use. Um, One method is suitable for pictures that have um, a multicolor background, and another method is suitable for pictures that have a single or double or triple color background. So let's let me show you the first method. As we see, this image has multiple colors in its background. Uh, so we're going to be using the paths tool. So hit the paths tool first. Next, go into layer and go into transparency and make sure the add alpha channel is selected. Alright, so then you can zoom in on your image and start selecting. Alright, so you just have to go around the image. That's all is needed. And say you made a mistake, like there, you just have to press Control Z and it will undo what you did. Alright, so let me just select the whole entire car. Alright, so now I have pretty much selected the entire car, but how do I join this point with this point? Well, the way you can join points in GIMP, you gotta press Control and then select that point. And then you can even drag that point, or you can drag any point to make it more as accurate as possible. Alright, so we have selected the entire object now. So we gotta right click and go into select. And then from path. Now, then we gotta go into select and then invert selection and then hit delete. And as we see, the car got extracted out from the background as we wanted. Alright, now when you export the image, make sure that it is saved as a PNG file. Alright, now here's an image that has a background that's pretty much the same color throughout with a slight gradient. Alright, so for this one, we're wanting to use the fuzzy select tool, the tool that looks like a magic wand. Alright, so first off, you want to go into layer transparency and make sure add alpha channel is selected. Um, and all you want to do is select the part that you want to remove and hit delete. And this image had a slight gradient, so you may have to do it step by step like so. Alright there, so I got the window um, removed from the background. Alright, so when you export it again, you want to make sure it's saved as a PNG.